Hello, everyone. I am just checking in, seeing how you're doing, letting you know what we're going to be doing today. So, hope everyone had a wonderful spring break. I know this is like the first time you're hearing my voice in weeks, almost a month. That's crazy. But today we are starting a new chapter and we still have to move on, We still have to get our education. It's fine. You're going to be fine. So, we're talking about Southern Europe in this chapter. You should have submitted your chapter 15 project. You should have submitted it. If you have not, get in contact with me. Get in contact with me. Get in contact with me. It's super important that you submit that. It's 400 points. Now, I have four pictures pulled up. You should be able to see them. Pictures on the left and pictures on the right. You can notice some key differences right away. These pictures look nice and warm and happy, and these look dreary and cold and ugh. Some people might like them. You might like the cold. I do not. I prefer this or this down here. Okay, so why are we talking about this? Why am I showing you these pictures? Well, I'm showing you these pictures because it's important to understand the differences in climate. Today, climate is going to be a very, very important topic we will discuss and that you will read in your textbook, okay? So, which of these places do you think it's more convenient? Where is it easier to grow crops? Do you think you can grow crops in the snow? No. Do you think you can grow crops in the mountains? No. You can grow crops in Southern Europe, and we'll talk about why that is so efficient for Southern Europe. But now I'm going to show you what you need to do. So you need to go to Canvas. That is going to be your main goal for today. You need to go to Canvas and you need to go to modules. You will scroll down, all the way down to chapter 16. You're going to open these two things. You're going to open chapter 16 book and you're going to open chapter 16-1 assessment. First you'll open the book. It'll take you to something like this. And you'll go to page 400. This section will start on page 400. You'll start in section 1. Then you go back to modules and open the 16-1 assessment. Once you get that open, you will use your textbook to answer all these questions, okay? I read through the textbook. I read these questions. You should be able to find them easily. But if you cannot, please contact me. I will help you. Do not fear. Do not feel stressed out. Message me on Canvas, okay? Message me on email. It's all going to be fine, all right? No worries at all right? You should be able to find these, and this is your only assignment for today. So once you answer these 10 questions, you are done. Should not take you very long. I know some of you can get done with it in like maybe less than 10 minutes. So have fun with it. I will talk to you another time when we do something else like this, okay? I hope you have a very, very good break away from your school. And this is what we're doing today. Don't forget it. Submit it.